In this video manual, I will explain you how you can move the objects on the scene. So to do this, I will create a very short timeline. Basically, this is not a timeline, but I will click on the position and then I will add the character into the scene. So let's select, for example, this one. We are activating the character and we would like to move him closer to the camera. So you can do this with those buttons. As you can see, I'm clicking on the button and the character is moving. So you can move him forward, backward, I put it again. You can move him from the side to side as you need, and you can move him from up to down. Now, there is the setting how far you can move this character. So, for example, if you will click this drop-down menu, you can see that there are different numbers. If you have to move him a very little or a lot, you can experiment with those settings and take a look how you can do this and what will fit you perfectly. Also, here down you can see there are also the three buttons. So there is the button rotate. You don't have only to move, but you can rotate the character. This is exactly the same as with the moving. If you click on the button, the character will rotate on the direction which you need. And also there is the drop down menu which you can select how much he will have to rotate from this or that side, up and down. Here is if you need to switch back to the movement, you are clicking only here and then you can see here is the set movement and you can move him. Also there is the button size, so if you will have to change the character size, you can just put here the numbers, press the button save. Let's say I would like to do this 2, 2, 2, I'm changing the numbers, I'm clicking on the button save and the character has growing. So I'll put it back to the 1 and it is. Also, there are very useful and great buttons here on the right side. So, for example, you would like to add the several characters into the scene. So you have selected the position, and then you will click the button here, which is the set this position as default position, and all of the other characters which you are adding into the scene, they will appear exactly here on the same position, so you don't have to jump from side to side. Let's say that you have moved, let's move here, for example. Sorry for my dog. So let's say that you would like to move on the side, that you are far from the start position, and you need to move character exactly on this position where you are now. And this is complicated to find what it is. So you just click on the button, move character near the camera position. You will click this, and as you can see, the character has jumped to the position which you need. Then we have here the next button, which is move character to his start position. If you will click this, I'm clicking on this position, and as you can see, the character has moved exactly on the position where he appeared from the first time. Let's say that you have created the character and you don't know where he is, because you have moved a lot on the scene and you don't know where your character has appeared. So simply click this button, move camera near to the character position. I'm clicking it, and as you can see, my camera has jumped exactly on the character's position. So this is how you can do this using the buttons. Also, here is the cool thing, which is the rotate camera to check the head direction. So let's say I'm looking for this side. I'm clicking on this button and my camera is looking back into the character, so you can find that yes, I'm on the same place and I'm looking on the character perfectly. So this is everything about the buttons. Also, there is the cool thing that you can move the things and the characters near the hotkeys and using your mouse. So let's add here, if you will click on the escape, you can see here is the settings, the button which I used right now for the moving. If you will click on the H on your keyboard and at the same time you will press the G button, the J button or the K, it will rotate the object and you are moving your mouse. You don't press anything on your mouse. So you are just clicking on the keyboard, the H and G or J or K, and then moving your mouse, it will rotate the object. If you're clicking on the Y, the same time on the keyboard, the Y and the G and K, J, it will move the object on the scene. So play a little bit with this and you will see that this is really very easy to do it. And then the very important thing, because sometimes the movement and the rotation is slowly. You may think that here it will take me a lot of time, I don't like it. So you can simply press the H and the button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and clicking the same time, for example, this button H and 1, it will multiply the speed of the rotation. If you will click on the H and number 9, of course it will rotate very, very, very quickly. So this was about the settings. And now I'm pressing the escape and going back into the scene, and I will show it to you how it works on another object, because this is working for every object in the scene. So for example, I'm selecting the light equipment. I'm clicking this one. Let's say I will add the ring light. I'm pressing the activate, and now I'm going far from the object. And to start using the hotkeys, you will have to click this button. Here, set this object as manipulated by hotkeys and mouse. So I'm clicking this, the button has activated, and now I'm clicking the Y button on my keyboard, and let's see. So this is moving from side to side when I'm clicking on the Y and J. Y and G, this is moving it up and down, and Y and K, this is moving exactly what I need, but this is very, very slowly, so I don't like it. I'm pressing the Y and 6 at the same time, and now I'm clicking the buttons Y, K, and I move with my mouse, and as you can see, this is moving much faster closer to me. So right now I'm clicking the H button and the G, and I'm moving my mouse, and you see that that is rotating like this. I don't need it, I want to turn it on the other way. So I'm clicking on the H, J, and I'm just moving on my mouse, and as you can see, this is perfectly rotating to the sides. So this is very cool. I hope that you will like it. And then it depending here, if you will switch, for example, for right now I'm selecting the light button, and I would like to manipulate in the same way with the character. So I'm clicking on this, take off this, putting this, and if I will manipulate, right now I'm clicking the same buttons, and right now I'm manipulating with the character. So basically switching this thing from one thing to another, you can select of what exactly object you will move on the scene, you will manipulate with the keyboard. Also, the same way, exactly in the same way, are working in the things in the scene builder. So you can also manipulate with this object in the scene, and to put them where you would like. So by clicking this, and as you can see that here are a lot of things. So let's say it will be some kind of weapon or something like this, basically with anything. So I hope that this manual will be useful for you and that you will use it for your needs.